It's the Texas Weather Outlook video for Tuesday, July 25th. Good morning, I'm Donovan Neal. Yesterday we saw a break from the excessively hot weather, but today and throughout the rest of this week, we're going to kick back up with consistent temperatures at or near 100 degrees. And also there's a chance for rain this weekend. First, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite loop. This area of high pressure is starting to build back up in our area, and we should notice the difference from yesterday and today and throughout the rest of this week. Here are the current temperatures at 5:21. DFW already 79. Weatherford 74, Greenville already 79. We're expected to the highs are expected to warm up to the at or near 100 degrees today. And here's a look at the watch warning map, and you can see why that heat advisory is reissued for our area today. We expect heat index values of 105 to about 110. So, and this will be valid from noon until 8 p.m. on Wednesday. This does run all the way till Wednesday. Monsoon season in the west, where we have a multitude of flash flood watches for parts of Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and Idaho. And other than that, things are quiet in the east. Risk for severe weather today. We have a risk for severe weather for parts of the Dakotas and parts of Minnesota. For us, we do have a risk for thunder, but no organized severe weather is expected. Day 2, the risk for severe weather shifts to the southeast, and we should stay dry tomorrow. And same thing on day 3, risk for severe weather now shifts to the mid-Atlantic near Baltimore, Virginia Beach, and Washington in New Jersey. Take a look at the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. This is calling about a half an inch of rain for the North Texas corridor, and know that your amounts will vary at summertime because of summertime rains. They are widely scattered and they're unevenly dispersed, so your amounts will vary. Take a look at the tropics. A lot of dry air in the Atlantic Basin. So therefore, nothing new for the next 48 hours to 5 days. Keep in mind that the peak of hurricane season is usually in August and September. So let's take a look at the models. Here's the GFS. This is the 06D run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, about 1,800 feet off the ground. 594 heat ring is still trying to build up into our area, and down below that, we still have a bit of moisture left over from yesterday, so we'll introduce a chance for a couple of stray storms this late afternoon and evening. Here's a high-res HRRR at 4 o'clock this late afternoon. You can see a few isolated showers and storms going about in the DFW area, up around the Texas-Oklahoma border as well. And understand that the radar won't look like this, but understand that we still have a chance for showers and storms this afternoon and evening. And I'd say the best chance for any one spot getting wet is in the 20 to 30% bracket. And understand that these storms will dissipate these storms should dissipate by the time the sun goes down. Wednesday, we are dry with highs mainly from 98 to 100 degrees. Same thing Thursday, and it looks like a cold front coming from the north. And same thing Friday, that cold front kind of stalls when it gets to Oklahoma. And now Saturday, that cold front makes its way towards our area, and we introduce a chance for scattered showers and storms on Saturday. Other than that, partly cloudy skies with highs in the mid to upper 90s. And same thing Sunday. That cold front kind of shifts down to the south. We still introduce a chance for isolated showers and storms. I'd say the best chance for any one spot getting wet this morning is weekend is in the 20 to 30% bracket. Monday, we should be dry with a mix of cloud and suns with highs in the mid-90s. You can see that the Texas Panhandle and West Texas also has a risk for some showers and storms on Monday. And here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 1st of August. Highs are about where they should be, and that looks like typical summertime weather. Highs in the upper 90s. Highs in the mid 90s, and here's the end of the forecast period. On Thursday, August 3rd, 594 heat ring to the west. Down here, troughing, there's evidence of a little trough trying to develop in our area, and down below that doesn't look bad at all. Looks like we will introduce a chance for a shower or storm or two, with highs in the mid 90s. Numbers for the next 6 days. It will be hot throughout the rest of this week. Thursday, 102, but there's evidence that the temperatures we're going to have a decrease in temperatures by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Saturday 96, Sunday 97, and Monday 95. That's not bad at all as we start to approach the beginning of August. That's it for the Texas Weather Outlook video this afternoon. We'll have more notes in the blog. The next video here around 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.